When you hear this sound effect, pause the video and complete the task yourself.
On March 2nd, 2020, an unsuspecting clothing enthusiast by the name of Willie Hayes absent-mindedly mixed what he later perceived to be a radioactive dark with his lights. After a 3-month stay in his local hospital, the young man would look back on this as the sure day that changed his destiny forever.
Stinking laundry. Always gotta inconvenience me.
I sense an emergency. Not today.
Holy cheese and crackers! Is that you, Batman?
Yes, my dear, it is I, the Willie Hayes, the world's #1 laundry hero. I sense you are in need of help, young one. You've flown too close to the sun today, for there are too many garments in this pile. You must organize them based on pigmentation. When doing laundry, you have to separate light from dark. Be sure to make 2 distinct laundry piles for dark laundry alongside your lights. You don't want all your shirts to be pink. And don't forget to check your pockets. Don't use too much bleach and read the trusty label on different parts of each article of clothing. Some garments may have special instructions for their washing ritual. Okay, now you can put in your clothes. By the fang of Theos! That's a greasy rag, dude meister! If you put that in with your regular clothes, it will disrupt the very foundations of your fabric. You've got to run that separately with your towels and cleaning rags in water of a heat on par with the very sun. Okay, now make sure not to overfill the washer. A few more shirts isn't worth a broken machine. This is completely normal. Wait, I sense yet another disturbance. No! No! Wait, dear Steve, you forget. You need detergent to remove dirt and grime from the clothes. Mere water cannot protect against the crushing power of the very earth. Now get out that detergent. And don't forget fabric softener. Add detergent to your washing machine before your load. You have no idea how much detergent you're supposed to use. Now read that container like Betty's whites depend on it. Luckily for you, there is a convenient label on the container with instructions on the various methods of cleaning. Or, if you're using Tide Pods, 1 for small, 2 for medium, and 3 for large. Stain removal is a different beast altogether. This must be done on separate pieces of your attire before it's washed. Grab the stained article and apply a pre-treatment before putting it in the washer. The easiest method is to remove with a stain remover pen. Follow the instructions on the label of the pen, then rinse and wash. After you're done there, simply press start and wait for the load to stop. It's always faster when you watch it.
It's been an hour already.
Ah! Time to put your laundry in the dryer with a dryer sheet. Now press the start button and you're practically done. If your clothes are still wet after drying, it means the setting was wrong. Every dryer has different settings, so use your best judgment. Speed dry for small loads, normal for normal loads, delicates for your Grandma Betty's quilts.
Wait! You forgot to clean the ling trap. It may not start a fire, but what if it does? Now I must go, for there is another soul in need of my assistance. Laundry! Folding your clothes is an organizational must. Put your garment face down and bring the left half of the shirt to the center. Flip the short sleeve so it faces the outer edge of the shirt. Repeat this with the right half of the garment. Looks like my work here is done.
Why do strange things keep happening to me?
All in a day's work from your neighborhood clothing related hero.
It's coming back.
I forgot something.
So.